Anyone at any skill level can make this bag. Some would say this is our easiest pattern yet.
This is the easiest pattern! This is the easiest pattern! This is the easiest pattern!
Hey guys, I have a confession to make. I don't like hand sewing. Yep, there it is. That's the truth. For my first 2 years of leather crafting, I hand sewed everything. Yeah, didn't love it. Which honestly seems kind of blasphemous for a leather crafter to say. So someone who does not enjoy hand sewing, I have designed this crossbody bag pattern that you can hand sew in about an hour. That's it, a completely finished bag in 1 hour. There is no scabbing required, no sewing machine. This is as simple as it gets. For this video, I am using the cheapest diamond chisels. These are the OG Tandy chisels that are like $10 to $20. You can probably buy some cheap Chinese knockoffs on Amazon that are probably just as good as these. I do have a nicer set of pricking irons, but for this video, I just want to show that you don't need expensive tools to make something that will last a lifetime. If you're using a sewing machine, you can add a little bit more detail, like I've added a rolled edge that's included on the pattern. You can also add a lining. This is a really quick build and it's a great product for markets or for friends that you don't want to spend too much time making a gift for those friends. Yeah. You guys know the drill. The large format print pattern is free for the first week. If you don't want to mess around with the poster option, you can grab the print ready version on our pattern store for 50% off for the next couple weeks. If you're watching this beyond a week of this video coming out and you've missed out on the free patterns, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more free patterns. Okay, that's all I've got to say. Let's get making. Okay, you can have your candy now. You get 3 of them.
Can I pick?
Yeah.
1,